Hey you guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. Hi, I'm Poulomi and you are more than welcome in my channel. And if you have already been there with me, then no more introduction is basically needed. So what I'll do is I'll start talking about this makeup. And before I start talking about this makeup, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel. The red button is down there below, and do not forget to hit the bell button so that every time I post a new video, YouTube automatically notifies you. And if you want to socialize with me behind this YouTube channel, then you need to give me a follow on my Instagram. My Insta handle is @Poulomi_Mimi, and let's gram together. So now talking about this look is very easy, but at the same time it's those very creative out of the box look. I won't say that this is a very wearable and easy and go-to look. I know by easy I mean creating this look is easy, but it's a bit creative, it's a bit colorful, and if you want to use it as your wearable look, then oh my god, I love you girl. And if you are not comfortable wearing this out, and then it's totally up to you. It's your face, your choice, your life. Do whatever you feel like. And now without any further more blabbering about this video, I'll quickly start the video. And first things first, I will be concealing my eyelids because I badly need that. And to conceal my eyelids, today I'm going to use my PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer. It's in the shade 03 Sand, and you guys all know that this is my favorite concealer. It's highly pigmented and it's very, it do color corrects my dark circles also, because I do have a lot of discoloration going on onto like this particular area of my eyes. And now going towards my Sigma Beauty Sponge, which is this one. I'm just going to blend the concealer, or you can say like dab the concealer into my skin so that it is nicely absorbed. And to powder it, today I'm going to use my loose powder, which is from Maybelline. It's Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. It's in the shade 20 Light Medium. Now when I'm done with powdering my eyelids, what I'm going to do is taking the same loose powder and I'm just going to place it under my eyes so that it catches all the fallouts if there is any, and so that I do not ruin my base. So now when I am done with prepping my eyelids, I'm just going to go and grab my eyeshadow palette. And today I'm going to choose my James Charles eyeshadow palette all over again. And I'm just going to take like this beautiful purple color over here, which is this one. And I'm just going to take this onto a fluffy blending brush like this. And I'm just going to put it as a transition color onto my crease. I'm like putting it onto my crease, and I'm just like taking it a bit downwards towards my inner corner, and I'm like diffusing it with my fluffy brush, and I will keep on doing this until I get the desired look. So now I'm basically done with putting that shadow onto my crease and blending it out properly. So now I'll go ahead and grab my NYX Pigment Primer, which is this one. This is my NYX Pigment Primer, and I'm just going to put it onto like this area, like this semicircle part of my eyelid. Alright, I have already taken some onto the back of my hand, and with the help of any flat brush, I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to place it onto my eyelid and create a nice semicircle onto my eyelid like this. And now I'm done with placing the pigment primer onto my eyelids, and without letting it dry, I'm just going to go and grab it's Colourpop Cosmetics, it's My Pleasure palette, and from this palette I'm just going to go and take this color over here onto the back of my flat brush, and I'm just going to place it onto the area where I have put the glitter primer. Already see that I am done with putting that glitter onto my eyes, but due to some reason I'm not liking it. How is it popping out? I feel like it is not popping out as much as I wanted it to, so I went ahead and I chose this palette. It's my NYX Love You So Much palette, and from this palette I'm just going to go and take this vibrant color over here onto the back of my brush, and I'm going to go and put it all over that color so that that color brightens up. Can you see it instantly? It's like brightening itself up. And now when I'm done with doing that, I'm just going to go and put some liner as I have done in this eye. So, and for my liner today I'm going to choose my Lakme liquid liner. It's this one. It's very basic liner, but the blue color is so popping. As you can see, I already put it in this eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a tape today, because I just do not want my liner, my winged liner, to spread down like this. So I'm just going to put this tape. So now when I'm done with putting on my liner, and I'm very happy because they're looking so similar today, and I'm just going to go and put some shadows onto my lower lash line, because my lower lash line at this present moment is kind of looking very naked. So I'm just going to go back to my James Charles eyeshadow palette, and from this palette I'm just basically going to choose like this vibrant blue color over here. And yeah, so I'm just going to put it under my eyes. And now when I'm done with putting on some shadows onto my lower lash line, I'm just going to go and grab my mascara, and I'm just going to coat my lashes. And today I'm not going to put on any falsies. I'm just going to keep it like this. So I'm just going to go and give my lashes a nice curl and some generous coat of mascara. And to do that, I'm just going to go and take my favorite Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. It's this one. But before going on with this, I'm just going to curl my lashes. So now I'm done with putting on my lip gloss also. So this is how the look turned out to be. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you have enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'll see you next day with yet another more interesting video. Till then, take care and keep it glam and stay indoors. Mwah.